it's Gina and welcome to my channel. Look at what finally arrived. I've been waiting and waiting for this month's kit. It turns out my card that's associated with my creative scrapbook, the card had fraud, and I had to cancel it, of course, and I have another one. And I thought I had updated the information, but apparently there was some issue, and long story short, I finally got my kit. Sadly, it's just a couple of days before Christmas, but that's okay. Better late than never. So let's go ahead and tear into this and see what's inside because I can't wait any longer. Okay, it's out of the bag, so let's take a look. Oh, look how pretty. Look how pretty. And here we go. 3 packs of Prima flowers, just as there should be. But look at how gorgeous. Wow, these are really big. Really, really pretty. All right. Oh, and look at the stamps. Oh, let's see the back. Very nice. Oh, special delivery. These are great. Isn't that cute? Heidi Swap. Oh, they have numbers too. That's very cool. Let's see. Oh, and here's our pack of ephemera. And you know me, I always wait till the end. So I'll hold that till then. Oh, look, we have more ephemera. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Two extra packs of ephemera. Wow. That's great because if you've been watching my channel, I'm working on a Christmas journal, and you know, Christmas is in like a couple of days, so I have to hurry up. And you know, the more items that come ready-made that I just have to do a little bit to, the better. So this is awesome. I can't wait to see all of what's inside. All right, we have the alphabet stickers. Nice. Oh, look. I don't have this one. It's a Prima stencil. Isn't that nice? Little raindrops. That is so cute. I don't think I have anything like that. I mean, I've got circles, but not raindrops. And those are not the same. And my favorite part, oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness. I am pretty sure you will see this in my next video with my envelope journal. So this will come in very handy. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's beautiful. I love those. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, look. Deck the halls. Let's see. Christmas cheer. Sorry. Thought it said choir at first. I'm like, that's not right. Let's see. Oh, from Blue Fern Studios. Awesome. Christmas Cheer is the name of this collection. This is called Cheery Cards. Very nice. Okay. And this one is Jubilant. Oh, wow. Isn't that cool? All right. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. This one's called Delighted. Oh, I wonder if my 2 inches, that probably is bigger than 2 inches. It's like my circle punch could knock those out, and what a cute embellishment that would be. That's really cute. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh, that's a pretty blue. I just love paper. Oh, look. That is so pretty. What an interesting design. Oh, wow, look at that. This one's called Mary. I'm sorry, did I call that one? That one's Delighted. That's really pretty. I love the images. Oh, look. Ecstatic. Oh, just really pretty. Look how sweet. It kind of has that old theme, which goes perfectly with my journal I'm making. The Christmas papers have that old look about them. Isn't that pretty? Oh, neat. I like that. It's subtle, and that's kind of what I like about it. That is so interesting. Wow. This one's called Jolly. Oh my goodness. This one's called Happy. Look at the little fairy. I guess it's an angel. Oh, it looks like a fairy to me. Oh, wow, really pretty. Gosh, I just love the images. Ooh, green. It's quite green. I could punch some Christmas trees out of that. Let's see. All right. Look at that. Cheerful. This one's cheerful. Just love trying to, just really kind of soaking in the images on these pages. Designers are so creative. It's just beautiful. Wow. Woo. Can make you dizzy. Woo woo. Sweet holiday. Aw, very nice. Oh, wow, isn't that pretty? Joyful. A joyful Christmas. Some music. What a pretty blue. That's a nice green. I like that. I like it when it's mixed with browns and, you know, kind of earthy tones. Very nice. Wow. Oh, boy. Oh. Now this is a different collection. The collection is Rejoice, and it's from Authentic. But look how pretty. Now this paper's not quite as thick as the rest of this from Blue Fern Studios. This is super like heavy duty. This is not quite as heavy as that, but look at the images. Oh my gosh. This is perfect for my journal. I'm so excited. I have to go make another video. Okay. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at that. Oh, a newspaper. This stuff is just so interesting. There's that pretty blue. Oh, this is back to the, okay, I must have gotten out of order. I'm back to the other Blue Fern Studios paper with this one. This one's sparkling. Isn't that pretty, the trees? Oh, and the snowman. Cool. Oh, hold on, we're back to the Authentic. Oh, look at the images. Oh, I didn't even, did I flip the other one over? It's on the back. Oh yeah, I did flip it over, okay. Oh, look at this. Look at the Santa. I just love how things were drawn. You know, that back in the old days of my youth. Look at that. Oh, that is so neat. Oh my gosh. Guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to probably make another video. Oh, wow, look. Oh, that's just so happy. Such a happy print. This one is American Crafts. Sorry, so this is a different one. Wow, lots of paper. So we've got pieces from 3 different collections. How about that? Ooh, wow. Isn't that pretty? Wow, lots of paper. I am very happy. These are awesome. And I know I'll be using these because, you know, I can just cut them, ink around the edges, and add them in, and they will just add so much to my journal. It's just pieces of ephemera. Oh, yeah, I'm excited. All right. So let's see. Beautiful, beautiful paper. Oh, Mindy, hold on. Sorry, I don't know what she saw. But she, wanted to make sure they knew she was around. Okay. All right, so let's see. I want to take a look at the ephemera because, I don't know, I just like to get up close and personal with it. You can see the picture on the back, but that's not the same. Oh, and I love the ones that just open because then I can close them. Oh my gosh, this is so helpful for my journal. Oh, and look at that. Even that. Ah, very, very cool. Isn't that neat? Just all kinds of stuff. Oh, uh-oh. Aw, I love that. Oh, all I want for Christmas is you. Bendy, don't you find something to bark at, please. Not while I'm recording. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Well, I am so excited. I think I'm just going to have to record another video. I need to. I'm going to finish my Christmas journal, whether I finish it before Christmas or not, because, you know, I've worked on it and it's coming along, and the stuff is so cute that we've made so far, the pieces of ephemera, you know. So I'm going to make sure I finish it. I'm not sure if I will make it before Christmas, but I will complete it. Oh, very nice. I love this. Oops. Okay, let me get this together. Okay, let's check out what's in this ephemera packet. Now the first one came from Blue Fern Studios, so it goes with that first collection. This one though is American Crafts, so I believe it just goes with that very last page. Where is it? Yeah, this one is from American Crafts, pink paisley. Pink paisley. So yeah, this should go with this paper. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this opens easily too. That's fantastic. You know, the other ones that you have to like pull open and you can't close it again? That drives me nuts. Oh, look. These are really cute as well. Oh, look at the trees. Isn't that cool? Oh, I really like those. Perfect for cards. I don't really have time to make cards now. It's been a strange December. Look at that. Oh wow, I just love these images. Oh. Alright, that's that one. Let's open the other one. Come on. Let's see. Ooh, wow. Wow, there's some big images. Oh, you and me. Joy to the world. Really nice. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, look. These are some really great pieces. I'm pretty impressed, I have to say. Really, really nice. Perfect for card making. Look at that. That is really cute. Uh-oh, let me be really careful. Don't want to rip my words. Ah, cute tag. Oh, isn't that sweet? Okay, hold on. Christmas, December. Okay, I'll take that out if I'm going to use it. Oh, very, very nice. I'm very impressed. Okay, let me clean this up and then we will recap. Okay, let's recap. We have this really cute page from American Crafts, the Pink Paisley collection. We have these 2 pages of the Rejoice collection from Authentique that are just gorgeous, and you will see them again in my journal, I can promise you. And we have this beautiful collection from Blue Fern Studios that just lots and lots of pages, and they are gorgeous images. And you'll probably see some of this as well in my journal. So happy with the papers, this kit. Same thing with the ephemera. We have just tons of ephemera. So, you know, I'm sure most of this will not be used this year, but guess what? I've got it for next year, which is awesome. Got this stencil from Prima, which is great because I don't have this one. And it's raindrops, it looks like to me. I don't see a name for it, but that will be great in the spring. And let's see, we have some alphabet stickers. We've got this great holiday stamp collection from Heidi Swap. These are great images, and I already know, if you saw my most recent video, I made a stamp to go on the envelope I made, and I was wanting a number, and I'm thinking these little numbers may be small enough, so I'm going to check that out as soon as I'm done with this video. And we've got 3 packs of Prima flowers, and Prima flowers are high quality. And look at how pretty. Now, we had smaller ones like this last month, so these clearly go with those, which is great because I have a bunch. And look at how big these are. Just beautiful. So that is it. This is a fantastic collection. I'm really, really impressed. I hope you were, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, give me that thumbs up and take a look at the other unboxings I've done. I have a whole series, and you will definitely be seeing some of these images from the ephemera as well as the papers and the stamps, possibly the flowers in my journal that I'm creating. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining me, and you guys have a fantastic day and Merry Christmas. Bye.